Nigga G Stacks getting a lighter. Kuna Matata. $2. Dang, you don't got no cheap dollar ones? Good God Almighty. Yeah, bitch, I'm recording. You can't make me stop. This is called freedom of the double stacks at the table. Freedom. I don't sell no biz, but this ain't no good footage I'm getting, so only in the hood. Look at all that paraphernalia they selling in the hood. Scales, grinders. They got everything. $10 digital scales with a lighter built in a bitch. Damn, them watches hard as shit. The little rubber shit, but they're mint mops. We don't do the mint mop wave. But that boy and girl, baby. It's a rainy day in the trap. G Stacks and Short Stacks out here in the trap, raining, but we ain't gonna melt, so we out here. This bitch up here though, this one thing, bitch, yo, she is drunk as a bitch. Bitch fell all in her face. That's the bitch we call every time bitch see me. She say, "Can you please fuck this shit out me with your sexy?" Hell no. We gonna get it all too. Nigga G baby over there hitting the sale. No. I ain't. What's wrong with you today, love? Tell him why you mad.
Me?
Yeah, why you mad today?
You wanna know why I'm mad?
Yeah.
You wanna know why I'm mad?
Yep.
Because my husband's a fucking drunk. And he hangs around with assholes that are stupid, funny, fucked up fuck nuts.
Damn.
How do you like them beans? Seriously.
I ain't seen you in a while.
And he busted my lip.
I see.
And I feel really like I just want to go home.
Look at that dumb ass. Look at that dumb ass. Have a good day. Be safe out here.
I'm trying. Peace and love.
I'm about to get her crazy ass on camera. She better cut it out. She better cut it out. She gonna get uploaded, ain't she, Mo? She gonna get uploaded out here. Like we out here in the track and shit. She gonna get uploaded.